man. Say, man. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Quez the Plug, man. I'm back in another banger, man. I said we got something different. We got high school basketball, bro. We got Cooper Flagg, top plays. They say he the illest white boy since bird, bro. I be seeing him on Instagram, but I haven't watched like a full mixtape, bro. I be seeing him on like Baller's Life, Slam. They post his little clips. I been seeing he going crazy in high school. So I think he a senior, so we gonna see him in college. I know he going to Duke. I seen he committed to Duke, so bro, definitely nice. Before we get to, make sure y'all like, comment what y'all want to see next, subscribe, man. When I wrote the 4K, we almost there, man. Let's get into it. Number 10. That was regular. That wasn't nothing too crazy. Whoa. Oh my god, look what this. Hey bro, this nigga flying, bro. Nah. Give me those. Lay. CP3 to glazing, but oh my, he just throw oop to himself in game? Bro from Maine? Oh my god, bro, this nigga actually OD. I done seen him do everything but shoot a jump shot. I gotta see what that jumper looking like though. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, what's up with high schoolers these days, bro? In-N-Out cheeseburger into the... You just throwing self-locks for fun at this point, bro. Give me those. Dang, good block. Oh yeah, bro play defense too. Love to see it. And he a dog. Love to see it, bro. Look at Brian. Look at Brian. Bronny. Oh my god, on his head. He just hugged bro after this. He just gave bro a hug. And he go to Mount Verde, so you know he OD. Single game performances. In April, he scored 52 in the EYBL. Oh my god. This has got to be the best prospect since Wemby. Since Wemby. What you talking about? Oh, he got a jumper. Oh, he got a jumper. Oh yeah, that's all I need to see. He dropped 52 points shooting 16 of 18. He's OC, bro. Yeah, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, there's literally no defense being played here, but I mean, either way he'll be doing this regardless, but like, give me those. No, are you dumb? Why is it lagging, bro? But give me those. It's lagging, it's cool. Let's see how you respond to trash talk. This where you see who a dog or not. That's how you respond, nigga. Give me those. And he play for Maine too, bro. Like his team, that team is like unknown. Footwork there. He got a little post game. Give me that. Bro from the Celtics. I guess the bro talking to actually hooping, so. Number 5, I think like Anthony Edwards. My god. Yeah, that's a grown man, bro. Cooper Flagg like what, 17? Gotta be like 17. I think he reclassed. Up. He reclassed up. Oh, Cooper. Who y'all think better, bro? Cooper Flagg or Cameron Boozer? Me personally, I got Flagg, bro. I got Flagg. We got to watch him next, but from what I've seen so far, I got Flagg. It's close, but I feel like Cooper Flagg game gonna translate more to the league, bro. Like they're not letting him dribble like this in college, bro. His handle is kind of, it's not crazy enough for him to be dribbling like this in college. I feel like that's getting plucked. But look, Cooper Flagg though, like come on, bro, that's a pro move. Look at the push off. Look at the little push off. Pro move. Pro move. Good shot though, I can't lie. I don't know, I just feel like Cooper game gonna translate better. See, he ain't jumped the block Flagg shot. Give me those. Like even the defense, like you know that's gonna translate. And Cooper Flagg more athletic than bro too. Off the backboard, oop. Knew it. I need a block. That's good. That's a good pass. Flagg. And I feel like Flagg got a better jumper too. Ugh, look at that. Look at that jumper, bro. I seen that last clip. Them last clips when he shot threes. That thing looked pure. Good pass. Oh my God, give me those. One dribble pull up. I mean, I don't know. Am I tripping or do Cameron Boozer game like look like it's not gonna translate better than Cooper Flagg's, bro? To the next level. Windmill. Seen it coming. This the UIBL Peach Jam. Hey, if bro getting buckets at Peach Jam on bro, first of all, look at his team. He's playing for Maine. This is an unknown team, so the fact that he even made the Peach Jam just shows how good he is, bro. Basically carried this team to Peach Jam. Only reason they in the UIBL because of him. Once he leaves, this team is not gonna be in the UIBL no more, bro. Watch. So they better enjoy their last season. Give me that. Look at the defense, bro. It's everywhere, bro. Too easy. I mean, right now, people, they just too small for bro. Like, look at, he got a smooth handle. How tall is Flagg? 6'9", 6'10"? Let me look it up. How tall is Cooper Flagg? But they just say he had 12 blocks. Oh my God. Hold on, I'm gonna look up Cooper Flagg height. He gotta be 6'9", 6'10". 6'9". I'm gonna say he's 6'10". But what's up with this lag? Give me that, bro. His head damn near smacking the backboard. Head damn near smacking the backboard is OC. I don't think nobody in high school can check bro one-on-one, bro. He's too big and skilled. Just look how he dribbled, bro. He got like his handle package is guard-like, bro. I'm not saying he got guard handles, but like the way he moved. Cameron Boozer, you can tell he a big man trying to dribble, bro. But Flagg, it look natural. He talking that talk too. And he talking that. Give me that, bro. Are you dumb? Two-hand gorilla block. Oh my God. Snatch. Two-hand snatch block is OC. Oh my God. Behind the back into the. That's a pro jump. Oh my God. Good pass. Back to him. Back door. Bang outs. 35 and 17, bro. Come on, man. And he crafty around the rim. Look at the footwork. Pass. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know what's up with this lag, bro. Just try to go crazy. Hold on, bro. I don't know why it's lagging on this. All right, there we go. And he be trying to yam on people too, bro. I love to see the confidence that one. Oh my, has he pull? 6'9" doing hezzy pulls in high school is OC. And it's lagging, you can't even see it for a bit. God dang. OC. He getting triple doubles with blocks, bro. Like, he don't even get him with assists. He get him with points, rebounds, and blocks. Real big man. And he's not even a big man. He's a forward. Small forward. Power forward. He like a... Who is he like in the NBA right now? What's a good comparison with Cooper Flagg right now? I'm trying to think. Who play like this? I don't know. You can't call him a Giannis. He's too small. Scotty Barnes with a jumper. Scotty Barnes with a jumper. The defense, the playmaking skills, the handles, the finishing. I think he gonna be better than Scotty though. In the future. But yeah, I say he Scotty Barnes with a jumper. Yeah, great comparison, bro. They played Bryce James. Yeah, I know it got bad for Bryce, so I ain't gonna lie. Ain't nothing he can do against Cooper Flagg. Give me those. Yeah. Oh my God, has he pulled from that deep? OD. One dribble pull up three. Yo. Oh my God, Bryce, don't jump. You almost got punched on. Best 16-year-old? 16? Bro. Oh my God. I was 16, bro. I was on the bench on varsity. It's cool though. I was 6th man of the year, but bro, Cooper Flagg OD, he definitely the best player in high school right now. It's not close. He better than who they be saying? Dylan Harper, he better than him. He better than Cameron Boozer. What is it? Tyron Stokes, he better than him too. He definitely the nastiest player I've seen since like in high school, since probably like Michael Porter Jr. Like since Jalen Green in high school, he was OD. I don't know. Cooper Flagg, he gonna be crazy though. Make sure y'all like, comments, subscribe, man. Let me know what y'all want to see next, bro. What players, what high school players, any player I want to see next. I got y'all, bro. We out. Road to 4K.